We need friends that last. We don't need people to come in and out our lives just one day. My channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a wig review on this Bobbi Boss wig, and I must say that what you probably see on the thumbnail or stock card is definitely not what you see right now. Woo! We got a lot to talk about. I'm going to show you guys basically how I kind of somewhat transformed this wig or made this wig work for me. There will be timestamps below. I'm not too sure how long this video is going to get. It might have got a little long, but I'll try to cut it down for you guys. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to talk it through and then show you guys how I transform. Do whatever. If you don't like whatever part, definitely just go ahead and skip through that and come here for what you came to see. But it's a lot to tell you guys about this wig. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. All right, let's go ahead and talk about this wig. Hey guys, so this is the Roxie wig in the color 1B30. These curls were really pretty out the pack. They were really nice and bouncy. You get your regular cap construction, that lace part in the middle, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and I like this cap. It's nice and stretchy. Initially putting on this wig, I was like, wow, this is a lot of hair. So I was like, okay, we could work with it. But as I started to brush this wig out, guys, the curls were just getting lost. I was like, what is this? What's going on with these curls? So I started chopping her up, thinking that will fix her. You know, just trying to tame her with some moves, do what I need to do, fix the part. I even went in with a little bit of heat because I felt like the top was a little bit too wiggy to me and I just need to flatten it out. I tried to do a lot with this wig. Everything go from But the more and more I played with her, the more she was just getting tangly, the more she was just not, I was not feeling it. I was really trying to make this wig work, y'all. Like, but look at this. Look at these ends. It was really disappointing because I straight was ready to throw this wig away. Compared to what she looked like coming out the pack, it's so different. So definitely if you want to keep her, don't brush her. Just kind of finger comb her a little bit. But she was shedding. She was just a hot mess. I was not feeling this wig. I was trying to make it work, but it wasn't. So that's when I had this genius idea to kind of drench her with some water and a little bit of fabric softener. Yes, fabric softener. So I went in and I kind of blow dried this hair out a little bit. I didn't want to lose all of the curls, but I kind of relaxed the curls a little bit and I chopped her up. I trimmed her. I cut the ends. We really did a lot to this wig. I had to transform her because I was just not feeling it. And look, she's looking pretty good. So then I also just kind of flat ironed the front a little bit because the curls got lost. Sometimes that's just what you have to do to a wig. You got to make it work for you. This part was really straight, so I curved it. And I also went in with like a swoop bang. I think swoop bangs are super cute. And then I just added some powder and that pretty much was it. Alright, my friends, we are back. We are back. We are back. Wow, let's go ahead and talk about Miss Bobbi Boss. Bobbi, why you do this to me? Woo! So this is the Bobbi Boss MLF314 Roxie wig. I have the color FS1B30. Okay, so I'm just gonna read the stock card real quick, tell y'all what this wig is supposed to say. It's a free positioning wig. This wig kind of does come in the middle. It has a middle part. I shift her to the right. I probably shift her to the left earlier, but not too sure what. Right now she's to the right. It says this is a lace front wig, and it says it's a natural kinky blowout with curl wig. There's a 4-inch parting space. You have 2 combs right here, 2 combs in the front, and 1 in the back. So initially putting on this wig, wow, I pretty much was gonna end this video. I was done. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was done. I thought this was gonna be that wig that was like, don't go buy this wig. Because combing out this wig with the curls, as soon as you would comb it, it would just be real frizzy. It wasn't coming back. It was getting on my nerves. It was not the business, okay? This wig is only $27 to $33 depending on the site, but because I basically didn't want to throw away this wig after this wig review, we are in a pandemic, okay? These wigs need to last. So I needed this wig to last. I needed to get my money's worth. So I went in and did something a little different, and I'm kind of happy the way I did what I did. But combing this wig out initially, y'all, sometimes you see how the curls are coming back now? They coming back. But at first it was dry. It was straight. It wasn't coming back. It was like, what is this? And I know this is a kinky textured wig, but it was just giving me Kanekalon vibes all day. You see, look, I'm running my fingers through this a little bit, and she's coming back. She's not just, I don't know what she was doing. I think I needed to give her a conditioning treatment, and that's exactly what I did because it wasn't working. So I went in and I wet this wig a little bit, and I put some fabric softener on this wig. If you guys don't know, putting some fabric softener mixed with a little bit of water. I did a little water. I didn't film it, so I gotta explain it to y'all. So I put a little bit of fabric softener in the water, and I kind of drenched this wig, and I had her wet. Then I brushed her through. All of a sudden she came to life, okay? And then I went in and I chopped her up. She definitely is really, really long. I cut a lot of this wig off. I chopped her up quite a bit. That's pretty much what I chopped up. Do what you want to do. I'm not telling you this is what you need to do. I'm just telling you how to save this wig, because for me, I was going to throw this wig away and I wanted to get my money's worth. So I did chop her up a little bit. I did brush her through while she was still wet. And I also did go in and curl the front a little bit, and I did flatten right here, okay? This wig was so wiggy. It was so wiggy when I first put this wig on. I didn't know what was happening. Bobbi, I love Bobbi Boss. I love Bobbi Boss. They have great units. The good part is that this is a premium heat fiber. So I decided at first I was gonna go in and just straighten her, but I just straightened it out a little bit, and I kept some of the curls at the end, and I'm pretty happy with how she's looking right now. Like, she's really cute. She's not giving me what she was giving me before, but she's cute. I feel like I could get my money's worth. I feel like she's gonna last now. And that's what we need. We need friends that last. We don't need people to come in and out our lives just one day. We need people to stay around and last. So I'm happy with what I did. I'm happy with how I chopped her up. I trimmed her up quite a bit. I cut her down a bit. I did a lot to transform this wig. I know she's only in the $30 range, but listen, if you want to save your wig, sometimes you have to do a little bit more than what is happening out that pack. And that's where I feel like she's worth it now. The cap feels good. It's actually pretty comfortable. It's big head friendly. I just went in with a little bit of powder right there. The lace was good. The lace is nice and thin. I didn't even use wig tint spray. This is a good wig. It's just that, I don't know, this kinky blowout with curl texture, woo, wasn't working. Maybe they might come back with a kinky blowout straight. That probably will work, but the initial kinky blowout with curls, I'm sorry, Bobbi. That wasn't it. Don't do that again. Now, you may watch other reviews and they may absolutely love this wig, but I'm just showing you how I transformed this wig. Let me know what you guys are thinking, how you're feeling about it. Do you have this wig? Did you transform your wig? What did you do with your wig? Let me know. Let's have a conversation, because I was confused, okay? Anyway, until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.
Do you want to be my wife, baby? I just want you in my life.